Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Sumit, and today I'm going to explain some concepts related to the machine learning. As there are many channels regarding the machine learning, but still I just wanted to try to explain the concepts in the easy and the simple words, and it's totally the beginner friendly. If you have not any idea related to the machine learning, then you are on the right platform. So we will go ahead with the concepts. If you will like to this all the things, then for watching more videos, just subscribe to this channel so you will get updates day to day. Okay, these are the some concepts related to the machine learning. As you might have known how the actually machines are going to be work, whatever it may be, maybe the laptop, it may be the anything fans and or anything. So we consider, for example, the laptop having the many functionalities and each one having the different work. So same like that, the machine learning having the different types, such as the supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, reinforcement machine learning, and each having the different algorithms which are using for the building the models. So, what actually the machine learning? The machine learning is nothing but the training the machine learning models based on the data or learn from the data and predict some output, such as the forecasting or predicting any future uh, guesses you might have known, when we are trying to find the trends in the marketing. Okay, so how you will analyze trend is going up, trend is going down. So machine learning also can help over there. Likewise, you can take in a proper decisions and grow with your marketing. Okay, so what actually the supervised machine learning? Okay, the supervised machine learning is totally based on the database which having the target column also and features also. Okay, the model is learn the features and analyze how the outcome or how the target is coming from the features. Okay, likewise, the model train all the data of the inputs also and the outputs also. It learns how the outputs are coming from the inputs. Okay, in the simple language, and likewise it trains its the machine learning model based on some algorithms. Algorithm might be according to the use case. It may be the linear regression, it may be the logistic regression, it may be the decision tree, random forest, support vector machine, knn. We will see all this algorithm in the further videos. So just focus on the overview how the machine learning is going to be work, what actually the machine learning. Okay, well, now just overview of the algorithms. Like what actually the linear algorithm? Linear algorithm is predicting like simple formula you might have learned in the your 10th or 12th, y equal to mx plus c. Okay, what actually the y is a dependent function. On which variable it depends? On x. Okay, and x is the independent variable. Likewise, it finds the trend. It draws one line, and based on that line it will analyze how the future predictions are comes. Okay, what actually the logistic regression? Logistic regression is based on the sigmoid function that will we see in the next videos. What actually the sigmoid function and what is the logistic regression and all the things how they are related. Okay, what actually the decision tree? The decision tree is totally based on the gain impurity, information gain, and then entropy. All these things are we will cover in the next video. Just I'm giving you a overview. Okay. What I call the random forest. Random forest is mainly used for the classification regression purpose, and random forest is mainly used for the predicting the future outcomes. It may be on the some multiple classification or binary classification. Random forest support for all these things, and random forest mainly simple in simple word. Random forest is a multiple decision trees. It analyze the outcome of all the decision trees and finally summarize all the outcomes and take the proper decision. Okay. Now, what is the support vector machine? Support vector machine is one. Okay. Support vector machine is used for the classification of the two classes. It draws the maximum margin in between the two clusters or the two different classes and make the partition of it. Okay. What is the KNN? K nearest neighbor. K nearest neighbor. It totally for the classification purpose. It classify all the things based on the neighbor data point. Whether data point is will be the in the cluster one or cluster two or class one or class two. That will things are happening in the K nearest neighbor, and it totally based on the use case also, or which use case we are using for. Okay, and it's simple applications. We can use the supervised algorithms like house price prediction, spam detection, disease prediction. I'm just explaining the one example. First example, house price prediction. Okay, you will understand how the things are going to be happen with the supervised machine learning algorithms. Just house price prediction, like based on the house features. What make the features of the house? Its length, its width, its height, its floors, its area. Based on all these things, the price will be going to be predicted. So we are just training our model based on these features itself. Whether the area in Mumbai, they might be having the high prices of the houses. If the area might be in a rural area, then they might have the low price. If there is a one floor only, then low price. If there are the 3 to 5 floors, then house price will be the increases. Likewise, the model will be learn all the things from the database, label the database. Okay, main thing, and according to that, if we will give any new features, then it will uh, predict the what how house price will be the came for the your features which are you have inputted. Okay. Well, you might have understand. Now the supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning. Sorry, unsupervised machine learning is totally depend on unlabeled data set. This is not any the features or not in the target column. It's totally unlabeled data in the data set. What actually the unsupervised learning do? It try to find the hidden structures, hidden relationships, and the hidden patterns in the data set. Okay, because it is the unlabeled. And based on that, it will classify the data, it will analyze the data, and it will helps to train the our model and give the better accuracy. Because if the data set is a totally random, then we can't analyze on which basis we can do the model training, so that it will help us based on some its algorithms like k-mean clustering, hierarchical clustering, principal component analysis, db scan. It will give us the classification of all the things, and based on that classification, that clusters, we will train our model and get our output. Its application as segment customer segmentation and similar group similar products, because in the data set there are multiple products. If one column is for the apple, one column is for banana, one is for the anything, and they are the mixed data. Then unsupervised machine learning helps us to cluster all the apples in one cluster, all the mangoes in one cluster, and then this type all the things are going to be cluster, 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 and then we can train our model and get our better accuracy. Okay. Now, what is the reinforcement learning? The reinforcement learning is totally based on the agents, because reinforcement learning does not work on the data set and all. Okay, its components are the agent, environment, state, action, rewards, and policies. What agent? Agent is like a learner which will work in the environment. What environment? Environment is the space on which agent will work. Okay. What's the state? State, that means on which state currently agent is working and how the output are coming. Okay, that's the just it's a primary state, you can say, or current state. Then what action? Action is nothing but strategy to be followed by the agent based on the actions or the sequence agent works. Okay, what's the rewards? Rewards means the feedback in simple words. Okay, if the rewards are the positive, then it's good. If the rewards are negative, it's bad. And that all the things are based on the policies. Okay, what are the policies? The policy is nothing but the sequence of actions or the rules based on that agent works. And policies are actually changes according to the rewards and penalties. If the rewards are coming, then action is good. If the rewards are bad, then you need to change the policies, and the agent works accordingly for increasing the outputs. Okay, what are the main application of it? Gameplay. Okay, okay, main thing. Robotics and the self-driving cars. Just take one example: gameplay. We are playing the chess. Okay, with the computer, we can say, if we are giving our first turn, then computer automatically analyze what step he had taken, and according to that computer takes his turn. Okay, likewise automatically by analyzing the environment, how the steps are going to be taken, how the actions are going to be taken by an agent, it's totally depend on the environment, policies, rewards, action, and according to that agent just working and giving the output. Well, I think you might have understand all the things which I have explained. I have just given the overview of machine learning, just its types, how there are the algorithms, and its some applications. Just bit, I think you you might have understand the bit knowledge regarding the machine learning, and all the deep things we will cover in the further videos, like it's all algorithms, what are these use cases, and how they are going to be implemented also. We will see all the things in the next video. If you want to see, or if you want to just grow with the Sumit, okay, then just subscribe my channel, and getting updates of all the videos of machine learning, deep learning, NLP. I explain all the things related to Gen AI, agentic AI. Just you might have the excitement also. So just follow me, and I'll try to explain in my simple words. And just subscribe, me guys. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video. Okay, bye bye.